We want to cut across first directly to Bengaluru, where my colleague Sagar Raj is bringing us visuals of more protests that are now taking place in support of Arnab Goswami and against his arrest by the Mumbai police. Sagar Raj is joining us from this protest, which is actually being mounted by ex-servicemen, as you can see on the screen. So ex-servicemen now coming out on the streets to show their support to Arnab Goswami, and Republic TV also protesting against his arrest. Now, the entire country, in fact, has erupted as far as this arrest is concerned. Earlier today, as we are bringing you in New Delhi, there was a march to Parliament that several citizens mounted. And the question remains the same. Exactly what is the Mumbai police doing in the manner that they have done in this case, an old case that was closed, reopened only by the police without any judicial nod at the behest of the state government? Was it not only a witch hunt against Republic TV editor-in-chief Arnab Goswami? It's been 3 days that he has been in custody, and over those 3 days, we've seen several people pouring in their support. Let's go across to Sagar Raj now in Bengaluru.
What you're seeing right now is the protest of ex-servicemen association here in Bengaluru. It is called as Akhila Karnataka Maji Sainikara Sangha, where the ex-servicemen have united together to raise voice against Maharashtra government and in support of Arnab Goswami. You can see there are a large number of people who have gathered. Every hook and corner of Bengaluru, people are coming out to protest. This morning it was organized by residents of Jainagar and as well as BJP Yuva Morcha, and yesterday it was a group of journalists, and day before yesterday it was a general public who came out in support of Arnab Goswami, and today it is ex-servicemen. Sir, how do you see the atrocities against Arnab Goswami, sir?
सर हम लोग एक्स-सर्विसमैन है, ऑल आर सारे इनका कर्नाटक का एक्स-सर्विसमैन है. हम लोग इधर एक्चुअली अर्नब गोस्वामी सबको पता है, एक इंडिया फेमस एक रिपब्लिक टीवी का जर्नलिस्ट है. हम लोग उनके साथ में हम टोटली कर्नाटका जो एक्स-सर्विसमैन है, एक एसोसिएशन है अखिला कर्नाटका माजी सैनिकर संघ एंड ऑल एसोसिएशन अपने साथ है. हम लोग आज के दिन में अर्नब गोस्वामी का साथ है, क्योंकि वो सर भी अपना एक्स-सर्विसमैन का एक बेटा है. उनका फैमिली पूरा आर्मी एक्स-सर्विसमैन का फैमिली है. हम लोग पूरा उनका सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. उनका जो अरेस्ट किया है सब हम लोग उसका एगेंस्ट है, और महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट को हम लोग पूरा एक्स-सर्विसमैन की तरफ से पूरा हम लोग कंडम कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि अर्नब गोस्वामी सर एक नेशनलिस्ट है और एक टोटल इंडियन आर्मी और इंडियन एक्स-सर्विसमैन को सबको साथ देता है, और टोटली ये इवन फेमस ऑनेस्ट जर्नलिस्ट है. हम लोग उनके साथ में हमेशा उनके साथ रहेगा. अर्नब गोस्वामी साहब का साथ हम लोग सारे उनके साथ है. जब तक उन लोग रिजिक नहीं करेगा हम लोग और भी इनका ज़्यादा से हम लोग स्ट्राइक करेगा, प्रोटेस्ट करेगा. हम लोग उनके साथ है. रिपब्लिक बोलो, भारत माता की.
How do you see the atrocities against Republic TV? And this is not the first time he's been targeted. Now it is Arnab Goswami and the other employees of Republic TV. How do you see this, sir?
Now, the entire nation has seen the worst incident which has happened in Bombay. That is the illegal arrest of a Republic media person, Mr. Arnab Goswami. He's a nationalist. He always supports good things only, and he always hates the other people who does wrong things, who does follow wrong things. Up till now, the same thing has happened. And he is the bravest person in all the media field, that he reports and he fights for the correct things only up till now. This has brought a hatredness among others. So this incident which has happened in the last few days, it was the worst scene. The entire nation has seen that on the TVs. Now, they couldn't get any other point to arrest him, but they opened a very old case, which was already closed and then reopened. And see the timings, you see. The day which it was opened, on the same day in the early morning at 6 o'clock in the morning, the whole group of police just walked into the house of Arvind Goswami, and they wanted to arrest him. He asked many questions to them, the reason of arrest, but they couldn't do.
Sir, how do you see? What is your opinion on it?
ये देश का जवान ईमान है, ईमानदार है, वो ईमान का साथी रहेंगे। अर्नब गोस्वामी कोई पुल नहीं है, अर्नब गोस्वामी चिंगारी है। जैसा भगत सिंह इस देश के लिए जैसा शहीद हुआ, अगर जो डरने वाला अर्नब गोस्वामी होता कब का मर जाता, मगर ये अर्नब गोस्वामी मरने वाला शख्स नहीं है, ये मराने वाला शख्स है। जो भ्रष्टाचार करने वाला अपने आप मर जाएंगे इस देश के साथ में, जैसा अर्नब गोस्वामी ने आवाज निकाले हैं, उस आवाज का पीछे इस हिंदुस्तान का हर जवान और हर नागरिक हमेशा अर्नब गोस्वामी का साथ देंगे बोल के मैं घंटा घोष से बताना चाहता हूं। भारत माता की
This is the voice of the people. This is the voice of the ex-servicemen who says that they will continue to protest unless
Right.
Arnab Goswami is being freed from Maharashtra government on all the baseless allegations and charges which has been imposed against him. Back to you.